Hello, welcome back to our stove test. We're going to do the same thing as before. Use this clean canteen, 64 ounce full of water, and to see if we can get this Emberlit Titanium stove to collapse. This time we're doing it without the braces in it. So I think with the Trangia, it's pretty much going to act like a brace. So I still don't think it's going to collapse. And remember, the goal is to get this bottle to boil and run the stove fuel before this thing collapses. So let's get to it. Okay, and just like last time, this is not going to be a timed event. So yeah, we're not going to time it, but we're just going to see if it can be done. Lots of yellow heat. And then you can hopefully see, yep, there's water. Let's go ahead and get this thing started. There it goes. And you're gonna give it, I usually don't like letting it prime, but we're gonna give it a second. And let's just go ahead and set that up there. And we're going to place the cap on loosely and then see what happens. As you can see in there, it is going. And we'll see if we can get this to boil or collapse. But just like the other one, I think it's gonna boil. Yeah, this thing's not gonna fall, I don't think. Alright, so it's been about 5 minutes and the sides have condensated and then started to dry a little bit. And then up here, yeah, I just let a lot of energy out. Yeah, shoot, I don't know. It's starting to get some bubbles down there. This is a lot of water to boil though, so it's not gonna be, super quick. If you were out on the trail or hiking or camping, don't expect this much water to heat up in 3 minutes or anything like that. So yep, just letting it go and watching the flames. Okay, let's check on this. Looks like we got some bubbles that are starting to rise to the surface. I'm not worried about the cap melting or the seal, melting or warping, because I'm just sitting it on there loosely. So it's far enough from the heat and everything like that. So I don't have any worry about it. Well, here we go. A nice boil. Took about 15 or so minutes. So again, now that's a lot of water. That is a lot of water to boil. So yeah, you might say 15 minutes, that's a long time, but you gotta remember, that's 64 ounces of water. Sorry, I'm just trying to see if we can see the alcohol level. Anyway, so we'll just keep going till the alcohol burns out and see what happens. It's like a volcano. Well, there it goes. It just stopped, and as you see, it did not collapse. So there we go again. It did not collapse. Sorry, you aren't supposed to see that up there. That happened a little bit ago. Anyway, as you can see, it did not collapse, so we're going to try some more experiments at a later time. So the next time, we're going to try it with the brace at the bottom with the alcohol stove, and then we'll try it with no brace and the alcohol stove all the way at the bottom. That's so more of the stove and titanium can heat up. Then we'll try it with wood. I expect it to be the same results though, but hey, this is why we're testing it out. So if you're out on an adventure, you don't run into any sort of unexpected surprises. So anyway, that's it for now, and remember, enjoy life and get outside. check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.